Welcome children, welcome to Lakshmi Max Academy. Today I am going to explain exercise 2.1 of question number 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. That is all word problems. In my last lecture I explained about question number 1, 2 and 3. Now question number 4 is that a rectangular sheet of paper is 12 1 by 2 centimeter long and 10 2 by 3 centimeter wide. Find its perimeter. Suppose this is the rectangular sheet. 12 1 by 2 centimeter long. Long means this is the length of the rectangular sheet. So this length is 12 1 by 2 centimeter and width means this is the width for you. So this width become 10 2 by 3 centimeter. We have to find the perimeter. First, perimeter means what? Sum of all the sides, right? Whichever the boundary part of the region, right? Whatever region you are taken, whether it is rectangle or square, whatever it comes, that boundary part is perimeter for you, right? So perimeter of rectangle, you already know the formula, that is 2 multiplied by length plus breadth, that is length is L and B is breadth. Here long means that is the L value and wide means that is the B value. So length of the rectangular sheet is 12 1 by 2 centimeter. This is given in mixed fraction. We have to convert the mixed fraction to improper. So you know that how to convert. 12 multiplied by 2, 24 plus 1, that is 25 by 2. And next one, width of the rectangular sheet is 10 2 by 3 centimeter. That is, this is also mixed fraction. We have to convert to improper. So 10 into 3 is 30 plus 2, 32 by 3, right? Now you got the length and the width in improper fraction. Now what we have to find out? Perimeter of rectangular sheet. So 2 multiplied by length is 25 by 2 centimeter plus breadth is 32 by 3 centimeter. Do you check this? The denominator is not same. So we have to convert the denominator as same one. What we will do? We will find the LCM of these two numbers. So you know that LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So now 25 by 2 should be converted by denominator as 6. If I want the denominator 6, I have to multiply by 3. So 25 multiplied by 3, it is 75. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. The same way 32 by 3, I have to convert to denominator as 6. So I will multiply 2 by 2. So 32 into 2 is 64 and 3 into 2 is 6. Now we got in like fraction. So say instead of 25 by 2, I can write the equivalent fraction as 75 by 6 and 32 by 3, that becomes 64 by 6. Now the fraction is a like one. So from unlike, you converted to like one. Now we can add the numerator because the denominator are same. So if you add the numerator, it is 139 because 75 plus 64 is 139 and the denominator is upon 6. And this bracket shows that it is multiplication. So 2 multiplied by 139 by 6. We can cancel diagonally, but you have to use the same table. Be careful. So 1 2s are and 3 2s are 6. Now we got 139 by 3 is the answer. 139 by 3 centimeter is the perimeter of the rectangular sheet. But we got the question in mixed fraction, so we have to give the answer also in mixed fraction. So if you divide 139 by 3, 4 3s are 12 and remainder is 1 and this 9 comes down, so 19, 6 3s are 18, remainder is 1. So now you know that how to write. This is first, middle and top and down, right? So 46 1 by 3 centimeter. So the perimeter of rectangular sheet is 46 1 by 3 centimeter. I hope question number 4 is clear. Now we will move to the next question. Question number 5. Question number 5 is that find the perimeter of triangle ABE and second part is the rectangle of BCDE in the figure. This figure is given to you and whose perimeter is greater. out of triangle and rectangle, which perimeter is greater, that you have to write down. First we have to find out the perimeter, then only we can write which is greater. So we are going to find out the perimeter of triangle. Perimeter of triangle is equals to sum of all the sides. Yes. So here all the three sides is given for us. So perimeter of triangle ABE, that is sum of all the sides. Which are the three sides? AB plus BE plus AE. So when you sum these three sides, what is AB value? It is given in the sum itself, 5 by 2 centimeter. BE value, it is already given 2, 3 by 4 centimeter. And what is AE value? That is 3, 3 by 5 centimeter. So first convert the mixed fraction to improper. So 2 multiplied by 4 is 8, 8 plus 3, 11. So 11 by 4. And here 3 5s are 15 plus 3, 18 by 5. Here you check it, the denominator are not same, 2, 4 and 5. So you have to find the LCM. So if you find the LCM, that is 20. So I have to convert the denominator as 20. 2 I want to convert 20 means I should multiply with 10. And 4 I want to convert to 20 means I have to multiply with 5. And 5 I have to convert means with 4 I have to multiply. So I multiplied both numerator and denominator by 10 by 10, 5 by 5 and 4 by 4. So if you multiply 5 into 10 is 50 by 20, and with 5 if I multiplied 55 by 20, and with 4 if I multiply it is 72 by 20. So if you sum all this value 50 plus 55 plus 72, you will get 187 by 20. Now this is given in improper. So our fractions are given in mixed. So we can convert this 187 by 20 into mixed fraction. So you divided 187 divided by 20. So 6 2s are 12, you know that. So 6 20s are 120. And we can do more than that also. It is 187. So 8 2s are 16, you know that. And 9 2s are 18. So we can write it 9 20s are 180. You can write it 9 20s are 180 and 7 will be remainder. Now you know that how to write 9 in the middle, 7 on the numerator and 20 become the denominator. Like that we can write. So the perimeter of triangle is what? 9, 7 by 20. And come to the rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle, just now we have seen formula is 2 into length plus breadth. Here length become 2 3 by 4 and the breadth becomes 7 by 6. So 2 3 by 4, convert the mixed fraction to improper. So 4 2s are 8 plus 3, 11 by 4 and plus 7 by 6. Here also the denominator is not same. So we have to find the LCM. 4 and 6, if you find the LCM, it is 12. So 2 multiplied by this 4 should be converted 12 means with 3 I have to multiply. 6 should be multiplied by 2, so that I will get the denominator as 12. So numerator also I have to multiply with that one. So 11 into 3 is 33 and 7 into 2 is 14. So now 33 plus 14 is 47 by 12 and 2 multiply by this one. So I can cancel it. 2 and 12, 6. So 47 by 6. Question is that whose perimeter is greater? So here 9, 7 by 20, or if you convert this one into mixed fraction, 6, 5 by 6. Whose perimeter is greater? It's very simple. You will have to convert this one again like fraction. If you find the perimeter, then perimeter of triangle will be greater because it is 187 by 20 and this is 47 by 6. 187 by 20 and 47 by 6. You know that how to find the comparison of fraction, that I already explained you. So if you find, make it like fraction, then if you find which one is greater, means automatically this become the greater form. So perimeter of triangle will be greater, right? I hope this sum is clear. And question number 6. Now come to the question number 6. Question number 6 is that Sahil wants to put a piece of frame, put a picture in a frame. You know that frame will be like this. You might be seen in your home. Here picture will be there. Right? So he want to put a picture inside the frame. Right? I hope this point is clear. But see, this picture is 7.3 by 5 centimeter. We already somewhere else we drawn the picture and keep it ready, and we want to frame it means. So the picture wide is picture is 7.3 by 5 centimeter. Suppose this is the picture. So this wide is 7.3 by 5. To fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than 7.3 by 10 centimeter. Frame wide is 7.3 by 10 and picture wide is 7.3 by 5. Right? So when we want to put this picture inside the frame means it should not be exceed of that one. So what we will do in the border or side, suppose this is the picture. I want to fit inside the frame means what I will do. So I want to trim here. So I want to cut some of the places and then I will put a stick over here and put the frame. Okay. So how much I have to trim? Trim means cutting and designing of the cutting of the picture. That is trimming. Right. So first we should convert the mixed fraction to improper. Width of the picture it is 7.3 by 5 and width of the frame is 7.3 by 10. If you converted it is 38 by 5 and this is 73 by 10. We want to trim the picture means from which one? Picture size. From the picture size you have to minus the frame size means we will get how much picture should be trimmed. Remaining part we will get it. So picture size is 38 by 5 and the frame size is 73 by 10. So if you want to subtract this one, the fraction is not like. So we have to convert it. Here 5 and 10. If you find the LCM, 10 is the LCM. So very simple. Multiply by 2. You have to multiply here also. 38 into 2 is 76 by 10 minus here it is 73 by 10. Now it becomes the like fraction. So 76 minus 73 is 3 by 10. So I have to trim 3 by 10 part of the picture should be trimmed. Then only I can fix it inside the frame. Right? So I hope this sum is clear. The frame width is 7.3 by 10 but the picture width is more than that. So I have to cut some of the part. So what I am doing, picture frame from the picture frame I'm from the picture I'm minusing the frame area. So when I minus it I will get the remaining part so that I came to know how much I have to trim it. This is the concept of this sum. I hope this is clear for you. And question number 7, it's very simple. Ritu ate 3 by part of an apple and remaining apple was eaten by her brother Som. This is normally happen in the home. But one apple will be there, mother will be divide and give it to us. It can be larger part given to sister or smaller part given to brother, like that. Otherwise more part will be given to the smaller children, like that. It happens, normally happens in our home. But question asked that how much part of the apple did Somu eat? So 3 by part from the whole, 3 by part will be eaten by Ritu, right? How much Somu eat, that we have to find out, and who had larger share, and how much Somu had eat, who had the larger share and by how much, that we have to find out. So we have only part of the apple, that is 3 by 5. This is like a ratio. Out of 5, 3 part will be eaten by Ritu. So whole part is always comes 1 only. From the whole is 1. Right? From 1 you have to minus the Ritu part. You will get Somu part. Yes? So 1 minus 3 by 5. So 1 minus 3 by 5, again it is unlike fraction. Convert to like fraction. So find LCM means, again it is very simple, 5 is the LCM over here. None of the denominator means we have to take as 1. So 1 and 5 means LCM is 5. So 5 should be multiplied. So 5 minus 3 by 5, it is 2 by 5. Right? So Somu has eaten 2 by 5 part, where Ritu had eaten 3 by 5 part. Now from here itself you understand who had the larger share. Exactly, Ritu had larger share. So by how much, that is also asked in the question. By how much means both the part, if you subtract it, whatever the value you get, that is the how much answer. So 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5, it is 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 part is eaten more by Ritu. I hope this sum is clear. And last question of the exercise 2.1. Michael finished coloring the picture in 7 by 12 hour. Vaibhav finished coloring the same picture in 3 by 4 hour. Who worked longer by what fraction? Same type of question. Instead of apple, here it is coloring the picture. Right? So here Michael has done the work. We are just comparing the fraction. Here they don't want who had, they are just asked who worked longer. So about 2 fraction, who is more, that they are asking. So first we have to convert the fraction into like one. If it is a like one, very simple, we can easily say after reading the question itself. But here the fraction is not like 7 by 12 and 3 by 4 like that. So first, if you find the LCM of 12 and 4, you will get 12 only. So 4 I have to convert to 12. So I will multiply by 3. So 3 by 4 means 4 3s are 12, 3 3s are 9. Now Vaibhav fraction equivalent to 9 by 12. Michael fraction equivalent to 7 by 12. From here itself you can identify who had done larger work. Yes, exactly. Vaibhav has done larger work. Right? Vaibhav is greater. Right? Longer work. Longer time he worked. Vaibhav has worked longer time. By what fraction? So whenever they are asking by what fraction, by how much, if it is like that, from the bigger minus the smaller, you will get the value. So 9 minus 7 is 2 by 12. So we can cancel it. 1 2s are and 6 2s are. So 1 by 6 hour Vaibhav had worked longer. So Vaibhav worked 1 by 6 hour more. 6 hour longer. I hope this exercise sum is clear for you. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe the channel for the further notification. Thank you, children.